Absolutely wonderful seeing each and every one of you. Towards the weekend, absolutely feels on the top of the world. The end of the month of July. What a great kickstart we had. When we all met, all the beautiful ladies of India Business Group Chamber of Commerce, and to all our esteemed guests who joined us today. What a great beginning we had towards the start of the month, where we had almost like, a rejuvenation starting from the month of July till December. So it gives me great pleasure in welcoming each and every one of you today here with one of its kind, our web series on India Business Group Chamber of Commerce. It's extremely special day, and this moment is truly, truly precious for all of us. We all know and have realized the importance of health in our lives. Health and wellness, which has played a tremendous role since the past 2 years. Today we have with us the true diva from the wellness sector, and it's absolutely a great pleasure for all of us because your lives will change forever after listening to this diva. Be it her story, her journey, and of course, what she has in store for all you wonderful people so that we're all fit, hale, hearty, healthy, and we look after not just ourselves, but our entire family and loved ones. It is the one and only Dr. Rekha Chaudhary. Absolutely a pleasure for all of us to welcome her here. Thank you so much, Dr. Rekha Chaudhary, for being here with us. I'm a big fan of her and her work as well as her beautiful products. Let me tell you that because I've used them and I've witnessed them. But let me tell you something more important than that. Right from the way she's come up, it's been tremendous. At the same time, she's an inspiration to the masses, not just females, but men as well. It gives us great pleasure to also thank Dr. I always call him Dr. Vikash Mithasman. He just means, Simran, I'm not doctor, but because he's our business guru, we met him during Guru Purnima as well. I always feel that, yes, he's one of them. It's time for us to truly welcome Mr. Vikash Mithasman towards the beginning. Vikash, thank you so much for allowing everyone to be really healthy at this point of time and allowing us to take care of our wellness and fitness as well. How are you doing today, Vikash?
I'm good. I'm not the physical doctor that people think when you say that, but I love to mentor and doctor mentally all the people who come to me. And I have been a great fan of Dr. Rekha for a long time, and she knows it well. Welcome to this platform. Simran, you can go on.
Thank you. I'm going to request our lovely CEO, very, very dynamic, and someone who always cues me. And I'm the absolutely, I love her. She mesmerizes everyone as well with her talent and her intelligence. Let me please request our lovely Priya Pansare to say a big hi to everyone.
Thank you, Simran, for such lovely words. And I would like to welcome Rekha on this occasion today to give our IBG ladies this wondrous wisdom that you have. But of course, we have our IBG men members also today present with us. And we have opened up to all the guest ladies from the other groups that we are associated with. So, ladies, there we have Rekha over here, and we are going to have this lovely session today. Thanks, Rekha, once again for joining us today.
Thank you. And before we request Dr. Rekha Chaudhary to speak a few words, just pal ka hum besabri se intezar kar rahe hain, but before that, can we please have the audio visual of India Business Group Chamber of Commerce?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to India Business Group. We are a modern chamber of commerce focused on mentoring and supporting Indian businesses to help them grow globally. IBG was founded by Mr. Vikash Mithasman, CMD of Nazara Technologies and the Honorary Consul General of the Republic of Mali, headed by CEO Ms. Priya Pansare and managed by Girish Bhatija, Siddhi Jadhav and Sujata Pawar. IBG has a network of 80,000 associations with over 1,000 active members. It also organizes sector-specific events for their members pertaining to sectors like real estate, entertainment, film and media, healthcare and pharmaceutical, HR, learning and development, travel, tourism and hospitality, banking and finance, manufacturing and retail, advertising and marketing, logistics and infrastructure, and IT. We invite Consul General and Trade Commissioners to explore trade opportunities between countries. We help connect our members with consulates to explore their business on an international arena. Ladies and gentlemen, we've signed MOU with around 50 Chamber of Commerce across the globe. We're also doing sector meetings for our members to help find the right connect. We do conduct B2B meetings with domestic as well as international chambers, which help your business grow with bounds and heaps. So, what are you waiting for? Welcome to our most wondrous world of IBG, India Business Group. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Rekha Chaudhary, a social entrepreneur who has transformed the lives of more than 1,000 tribal and rural young men and women through one-line wellness education. She's provided them with free of cost expertise and employment in various high-end luxury spas, salons, and luxury hotels across India. Her efforts with ZEP Foundation provides financial opportunities to rural women as well. Dr. Rekha Chaudhary has revived the long-lost Indian traditional mother and care, which is a very, very beautiful tradition. But remember, and let me tell you all and remind you all that we've all forgotten our own traditions. But she's the one who truly believes in reviving it and, of course, adjusts it so well with our modern beliefs and lifestyles. The patented concept of Dr. Rekha Chaudhary has got her the global recognition with the Harvard University. Well, let me tell you, John Hopkins and Oxford University as well accepted her research on the Indian prenatal traditions, which is published on the World Health Organization platform. She's created a social business model around this concept, promising 60,000 job opportunities for women and villages in India. May we please welcome our Global Wellness Ambassador, our leader in women empowerment and rural skill development, inspiring philanthropist, our wellness crusader, motivational speaker, our wellness tourism pioneer, beauty and wellness queen, business leader in premium beauty spa products, and Hum Sabke Dil Ki Rani. May we please welcome with folded hands, Dr. Rekha Chaudhary, with lots of love.
Thanks a lot, Simran. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. You are talking with lot of love, and I'm really liking the positive energy what you are giving to everyone, as same as me too. So thanks a lot. And I would like to thank you for IBG Group, especially Vikaji and Priyaji for organizing this very important topic, very close to my heart, because I always talk about this topic, and they have accepted. I'm really thankful to them. They have accepted this topic on their first session of women health care series what they are starting now. I think so. This I believe this is first time I'm going to address this, but I'm really, really happy about this topic. The woman well-being, how women can maintain her well-being. And this is the right platform. I'm talking very, I'm really excited to talk about this health related with the woman mentally and physically thought process. So mostly what we see when it comes to the woman health and woman well-being, we always take ourselves for granted, being as a woman. That's my complaint to all the women. We always take ourselves for the granted, and we always don't know, what thought process we are always like. We take all the responsibilities, we take all these whatever is surrounding us. We think that is we have to do clearly. We have to take care of all the things which is coming to us, and every time we take unnecessary responsibility, and we always follow in that process where we don't know what we are doing. So woman well-being, how she can maintain very basic, very simple way she can follow the few tips in her day-to-day routine. And day-to-day routine, when she try to keep this as a principle, as a discipline, as a everyday routine, so definitely I don't feel that she will feel any problem in her lifestyle or her healthy lifestyle, maintaining her healthy lifestyle. That's my belief, and I always talk to women. My principle is that how basic well-being can maintain. So there are four mantras what I always talk about, that daily cleansing is important, weekly cleansing is important. Same time, important is the detoxification. Detoxification in a month, in a year, we must do it. And energy, balance, and stamina, restoring stamina. These are the 5 things, four things actually, if we maintain in our life, definitely we will be able to maintain day-to-day healthy life. I am not saying extremely healthy life, but of course day-to-day, because that is the basic problem every woman faces. Basic problem is that because every day, if 30 minutes of exercise, 30 minutes, not more than that, 30 minutes of exercise, if she try to maintain in her everyday, hectic schedule, whatever is there, basically housewife, how she takes herself granted, because she thinks that is, housework, whatever she's doing, so that is enough for her. And because that work, what she's doing, her body movement is already done, or already she has done a lot of movement for the body. That means that is the exercise for her. And that's what she feel that is, she doesn't have to do anything extra. But what I feel that is, that is the moment what you did, but what is the specific activities you did for your body, especially for the muscle building, for the mental health building, what you did. So that's important, what you have to specially remove the time, half an hour, 30 minutes minimum, at least you should remove the time for your health. And as you grow, many of them, they think like, we're growing, so we don't have to do the lot of weightlifting, or we don't have to do the exercise which is very heavy. And I am giving my example. I was suffering with a lot of back pain, though I was in the health and all. I was doing the yoga throughout my life, but I was also suffering for the back pain. And one of the top doctor where I went, and I was concerned about that, why it's happening. I do the cycling, I do all this exercise, but why it is happening? And till that time, I was not going to the gym. I was just doing all this exercise. I was doing cycling, I was doing yoga, all this exercise what every day I was doing, but still I had that back pain problem. And when I went to one of the top doctor, and he said, madam, if you are doing the because my feet seen my body, he said, madam, if you are doing the exercise in gym, or aap agar weightlifting karte ho, so please stop that. And that talk with the doctor has actually awakened my mind. I said, मैं वेट लिफ्टिंग नहीं कर रही हूँ, फिर भी डॉक्टर मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि वेट लिफ्टिंग करते हो तो स्टॉप कर दीजिए. So I started reversing, and I said, no, something is wrong. Let me study my body. What exactly is going wrong with me? And you'll not believe, I started going in the gym. I started lifting. Till that time, I could not even lift 5 kg. I could not even lift, because my weightlifting capacity was literally 0. And within a year, I built up my body such a way where I am able to lift more than 200 kilo weight easily in the gym. And that is happening because I recognize my body. I started understanding what is going wrong with my body. And that's what it could make the changes in my completely physical fitness. So this is the important things which we should be understanding. Because many times what happens, we are just, going with the flow which friends are talking, or, society is talking, or anyone is giving the explanation, and you just try to go in that flow. But you forget yourself to take care of your own body, what is saying to you, listening to your own body, listening to your own mind. You try to forget that, and that's the reason these problems occurs. If I would have listened to doctor, I would have not able to make such a drastic change in my body. So this can happen. And this is a real example I'm talking about. Though I was in the fitness, though I was doing the yoga, I was doing the cycling meters, 16 kilometers, 18 kilometers cycling I used to do. And still I was facing the problem. So these are the things can happen. And try to accept that reality. Don't say that is, no, I'm fit and I'm still getting the problem, so I should not talk to anyone. You should actually try to talk to yourself. And important is that keep calm yourself and hydrating. These are the basic, tips what we need to understand. Hydrating is a very, very basic thing, very basic thing. Everyone thinks, okay, this इसमें क्या है? Hydrating करना body में हमेशा means water drink करना. Everyone is talking. Whole world is talking about that. But what exactly it makes the changes in your body? So these are the things which you should understand. जब आप hydrating करते हो body को, means constantly drinking the water, and make a habit in the house or in the office, wherever, if you are working woman, if you are the housewife, you should try to make the habit. Everywhere you keep the bottles, water bottles everywhere, in the office or in the car or in the house, everywhere. So you keep on drinking the water. Hydrating will definitely give you the healthy life. Staying healthy with the hydrating is a basic and very easy step to do it in a everyday life. So these are the things which we should maintain, and we should always try to have the routine in your life. These are the basic things which we can always implement in our this one, because you need to make time for your health. When you are taking the responsibility, you always forget one thing: saying no to anyone, your colleagues, your friends, anyone. So I would say say no. Learn to say no. When you say that, learn to say no, you will understand the power of saying no. Because surrounding you, anyone is there, they know, अरे इनको तो बोल दिया तो ये तो कर लेते हैं, हमेशा इनको कर दिया. Even the children, your husband, your anyone in the family, or your colleagues in the office, or friends in your life, they always try to say, okay, अरे इसको बोल दिया, चलो ये तो कर लेगी, तुरंत कर लेगी. And under that pressure, because you are not learned to say no, and because of that, you always under that pressure, अरे मेरे friend ने बोला है, मेरे husband ने बोला है, मेरे बच्चों ने expectation रखा है मेरे साथ में, and I have to do it. And unnecessary under that pressure, you damage your health, body, mentally and physically. Because sometimes you are not able to do it, but still किसी के लिए आप करने जा रहे हो, और इस सिलसिले में कि किसी को आपको करके देना ही है, इस सिलसिले में आप क्या कर रहे हो, आप खुद मेंटली इतना प्रेशर आपके बॉडी के ऊपर ला रहे हो, और उस वजह से आपकी फिजिकल एंड मेंटल बॉडी इज गेटिंग अफेक्टेड, विच यू डू नॉट नो. आपको वो पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे जो प्रेशर आता है मेंटली, और वो प्रेशर इज क्रिएटिंग द रिवर्स साइड इन योर बॉडी, एंड विच इज नॉट डैमेजिंग इमीडिएटली, बट फ्यूचर is definitely going to affect that for your health, for the physical health and mental health. So you should try to learn, say no. These are the things, again, it is basic thing, but important thing, because it's not healthy also for practically and physically saying yes to everybody. It is not healthy, and you have to say. So these are the well-being tips which you can, of course, implement in your body very easy way, if you decide mentally. Because when we say no to someone, we start feeling guilty. Try to say no to someone without feeling guilty, and without feeling what I would say, the bad, what they will say. Don't think about this. These are the things you need to learn. Another thing is which you have to implement in your life is that is daily healthy checkup for your own body. Try to put yourself front of the mirror. I always, even though this platform is open, I'm telling you, try to keep yourself as much as naked, and learn to check your naked body yourself, where you are feeling difference in the body. And especially you see after the post, like now after the this one 40, age of 40, mostly women face problem with the cancer, breast cancer, and urinary problems. And these are the common problem, gynec problems which women face after the age of 40. And especially mentally depression. These problems women face after the age of 40. So you need to learn the art of studying your own body. And these are the, as much as naked body you can have front of the mirror and you try to see. In that case, what you do? You check your body physically, where your fat is growing more, your body is growing more. You always try to see every day when you try to see that. So immediately you get to know my body is increasing this side, or I need to lose my weight, or I need to do certain exercise. Immediately you start talking yourself. Second, breast checkup, which doctor is always telling, but we are ignoring. So these are the things which we need to again check every day. And you should, because this will give you preventing caring actions if something goes wrong with the body. So immediately you can take action. Don't wait, someone will tell you, doctor has to inform you, or you have to go to check up the doctor. Before that, this is the basic thing. Again, you can definitely tell yourself, and you can do. And don't feel shy. If you are studying your body, that as much as naked body, if you are studying in front of the mirror, don't feel shy. You need to make this as a habit, and this habit will definitely improve your physical and mental well-being. So these are the important things which you need to put in your daily routine. Another thing is that we always say eat healthy. Always saying eat healthy and look healthy and think healthy. These are the things which you are saying, but how we are implementing them. So for a simple example, how much is the colors you are using in your food? How many colors you are using in your food? You need to see that. Not artificial color, it's original color. That means the vegetables, colors of the vegetables which you need to put in your daily routine. That how many colors of vegetables you have been consuming in your daily food styles. That's important. Look well is, again, because I am in the product line, I always tell women, morning, evening, afternoon and evening. These are the rituals which you should follow. Morning, you need to have the proper cleaning process for your skin. Clean your skin properly, exfoliate your skin properly, and then apply the serum and cream every day in the morning. You don't have to go to any expert. This is the basic thing. Daily morning care, evening care, and weekly care. These are the things which you should have in your daily routine for your skin routine. So what will happen if your skin is looking beautiful? Automatically your confidence grows. Your confidence grows. You people talk, so you don't need to carry very expensive dresses if your skin is good. These are the things, again, you can easily maintain. So this daily routine in the morning, if you are doing the cleansing, toning, and exfoliation serum and cream application. Evening, you need to do the same thing, cleansing and directly night cream or night serum. And weekly, you need to do the weekly mask application and cleansing after that mask application, and again serum and cream. These are the basic thing. One kit you need to make it every day for your beauty regime. And this will again improve your skin health. So automatically improve your mental health. So this is for the look well and eat well. What I say to you, colors as much as what you can improve in your food style. So that is your color palette for the food, beauty palette for the cosmetic, whatever. Try to use maximum natural stuff, and try to understand every time what is going in that particular bottle in the cosmetic. Also, you need to try to read and understand whether these cosmetic ingredients are right for your skin or not. That is also important. And see well in the sense, important again is build a support circle, because many times you become the alone. You have the whatever problems are there, woman has habit to keep that problems within herself. She doesn't want to share with anybody because she said log kya kahegi, मेरे फ्रेंड्स को बोलूंगी तो फ्रेंड क्या सोचेगी, मैं हस्बैंड के बारे में या मेरे इसके मुझे कंप्लेंट है हस्बैंड के, लेकिन आई एम नॉट सेइंग नो टू हस्बैंड. because that is my way of thinking or my way of behaving as a woman. क्योंकि हमें बचपन से बताया जाता है कि आप सहनशील देवता हो, आपको सहन मीन्स आपको सब कुछ एक्सेप्ट करने की आपको आदत डालनी चाहिए। बचपन से हमें सिखाया जाता है बीइंग एज अ वुमन। आपको और ज्यादा से ज्यादा और क्या बताया जाता है कि आप तो पैदाई मीन्स औरत हुई हो तो आपको ये जो सोसाइटी में है वॉट एवर इज देयर यू नीड टू एक्सेप्ट दैट एंड मूव विद दैट फ्लो। ये हमें बचपन से सिखाया जाता है। पर हम लोग ये क्यों नहीं आदत डालते कि सोसाइटी में सभी चीजें राइट है, हमारे लिए नहीं, हमारे लिए कुछ चीजें नहीं राइट है, क्योंकि हमें कुछ डिसीजंस लेने हैं और वो जो डिसीजंस लेने हैं वो डिसीजन शायद सोसाइटी के फ्लो के अपोजिट साइड में जाएगी। जैसे मैंने लिया था, आई टुक द डिसीजन एज ऑफ 40 टू कम फ्रॉम द विलेज टू सिटी। तो मैंने ये डिसीजन लेते हुए इतना इजी नहीं था, पर फिर भी मैंने लिया था एंड दैट वाज अपोजिट टू द सोसाइटी, व्हाट सोसाइटी वाज थिंकिंग इन दैट एरिया। पर मैंने लिया, टुडे आई एम हैप्पी and I am creating the awareness for the happiness for the women from all over the world. So this can happen very easily if women decide what she is going to do for her own life. So supporting circle is very important. Sometimes, you know, if you do not have the friends, you yourself volunteer for the friendship or for the any social work or anything, but build your supporting circle. That supporting circle will definitely help you to you know express yourself. क्योंकि कुछ जगह पे ऐसा होता है कि आप जो बात कर रहे हो सभी लोग वहां पे सुनते नहीं, लेकिन एक जगह ऐसी होती है जहां पे आप जाके फ्रीली बात कर सकते हो, जहां पे आप आपको खुद को एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो। क्योंकि कुछ जगह पे होते जो सुपीरियर होते लोग, वो आपको दबाने के लिए प्रयास करते हैं। और दूसरी जगह पे जहाँ पे आपने सपोर्टिंग ग्रुप सर्कल बनाया होगा, वहां पे आप बनाना चाहिए आपने, जहां पे आपको भी लोग सुन सके। यस, इसके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है जब लोग आपको सुन रहे हैं तब आप एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए फ्री हो जाते हो। सो ट्राई टू डू दैट। आई एम गिविंग यू रियल एग्जांपल। आई हैव सीन वन ऑफ द फैमिली, दैट वुमन, शी इज लाइक she wanted to do something in her life and family was not ready to listen her, because every time कुछ भी बोला कि अरे आपको तो नहीं समझता है, अरे आप तो मत ज्यादा बात करो, आपको कुछ नहीं समझता है। बिकॉज चिल्ड्रन स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग दिस फॉर हर, और ऑटोमेटिकली उसका जो कॉन्फिडेंस था, वो कॉन्फिडेंस उसका नीचे नीचे जाके एक दिन वो खत्म हो गया एंड शी कुड नॉट डू एनीथिंग। बट somehow she connected with the art of living and वहां से उसने खुद को टीचर में डेवलप किया, and today she become the one of the good teacher. She is training so many people. So that same woman I have seen who has lost the confidence, I was giving her mental strength, and that woman, because I was forcing her to connect something, go with something, whichever you like. Either you make the friend circle, either you go for this, and somehow then I could connect. I told her to go to the art of living, and she got connected with that, and she could find herself in that group, and that's how today she become the teacher. So these are the things which we can easily implement in our life, and just need to understand where we can find our place, where I can find my own place, and that's what we need to do it. So these are the things which easy way to maintain. Another thing is that is maintaining the weight is again the challenges for the woman, because she thinks like sometimes I don't know what happened with them, and they just keep on like growing with the weight without thinking. So just try to understand what is your eating pattern, how you eat. Sometimes you have the habit, बच्चों को दिया उसके साथ में हमने खा लिया, हस्बैंड को दिया उसके साथ में हमने खा लिया, बचा है वो भी हमने खा लिया। ये सब चीजें आदत पढ़ते पढ़ते ऐसे आदत बढ़ जाती है जिसकी वजह से अननेसेसरी स्टफ इज ग्रोइंग इन अवर बॉडी। अगर हम लोग इसी को ही डिसिप्लिन में डाल दे, अगर हम यही बता दे कि हमारा टाइमिंग खाने का, मीन्स माई एज अ वुमन, when I am taking the responsibility of my house, but same time if my health is not good, if I am not strong, how I can take care of my health, my family? That is one thing which you should understand. Otherwise हमें आदत है कि पहले बच्चों को खिला दे, पहले हस्बैंड को खिला दे, उसके बाद में हम लोग खाते हैं। ये बहुत औरतों के अंदर ये दिमाग में बैठ गया है कि नहीं नहीं, they are the one who should eat first before me, and then that's how my love means I'm showing the expression about my love towards the family. But this is wrong, ये गलत है, क्योंकि प्रैक्टिकली ये नहीं अच्छा है हेल्थ के लिए. आपका एक टाइम फिक्स होना चाहिए जो टाइम पे आपको खाना ही है. Yes, if you are thinking about 9:30 का आपका ब्रेकफास्ट का टाइम है, एंड दैट टाइम कोइंसिडेंटली कुछ हो रहा है जहाँ पे आपके हस्बैंड को भी वही टाइम पे खाना है, आपके बच्चों को भी वही टाइम पे खाना है, आपको उनके लिए बनाना है, जरूर बनाइए. Don't have to. I'm not saying that, no, but important is that आपके लिए आपका पोर्शन बना के फर्स्ट आप रख लीजिए. 9:30 को आप वो खाते हुए भी बनाइए किसी के लिए, लेकिन आप उसको खाइए. ये मेरा एक प्रिंसिपल है लाइफ में कि आप दूसरों के लिए जब करने जा रहे हो, फैमिली के लिए भी, फिर भी आपके खुद के लिए टाइम निकालना इंपॉर्टेंट है. इन शॉर्ट मैं आपको बता रही हूँ कि आपको खुद के हेल्थ के लिए सेल्फिश होना जरूरी है. और वो सेल्फिश होना जरूरी क्यों है? क्योंकि अगर आप सेल्फिश होगे आपके खुद के हेल्थ के लिए, ऑटोमेटिकली आप सबका हेल्थ का केयर कर सकते हैं. If your foundation, your base is strong, you can build up numbers of floors on that, right? But if yourself is not strong, how you will do that? So important is that आपको फैमिली का केयर करते हुए खुद के लिए भी ये बेसिक जो है आपके टाइम का डिसिप्लिन आपको डालना है, और वो टाइम का डिसिप्लिन सबको इम्प्लीमेंट करना है कि मेरा ये टाइमिंग है, ये टाइम छोड़ के आप मेरे पास जो डिमांड करना चाहते हो कीजिए, but don't disturb my time. That you have to learn to say to your family, your friends, your colleagues, wherever you are. Being as a woman, this is the habit, important habit, which you need to put in your life. Simran, how much time I have? Please do let me know. Huh? Otherwise,
Sure.
I will open for the question.
Yeah. We'll take another 3-4 minutes and then we'll start with Q&A.
So this is one important thing which I'm saying again and again. Say to no for this thing, because ये no इतना powerful word है आपके लिए. As a woman, I am talking you as a woman. It's a very, very important word for you, which everyone will understand. Okay, so you will see the magic of that word. When you start saying, okay, मेरा ये टाइमिंग है, ये टाइम के अंदर मेरा ये होता है, आप लोग इसको छोड़ के अगर मुझे आपको जो आपके एक्सपेक्टेशंस है आपको डिमांड करना है, ये टाइम छोड़ के अगर आपको डिमांड करना है तो आई एम रेडी टू डू इट, अदरवाइज आई विल नॉट डू इट. व्हेन यू से दैट, सो ऑटोमेटिकली क्या हो रहा है, आप वो मैजिक देखो, आपके आजू बाजू जितने भी लोग हैं उनका बिहेवियर ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज होते जाएगा. शुरू में तकलीफ होगा, शुरू में आपको लोग बोलेंगे कि नहीं ये नहीं, ये ऐसे कैसे आप बोल सकते हो, ऐसे कैसे आप कर सकते हो, लेकिन धीरे धीरे ये आदत उनको पड़ जाएगी और आदत से ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल सी द चेंज ऑफ दैट नो का पावर. So this is the one important things which you have to implement. And as I mentioned to you, weekly cleansing or daily cleansing or energy boosting or regenerating the stamina. It's why it is important, because जैसे जैसे एज ग्रो होती है वैसे वैसे अपने बॉडी के अंदर भी जो भी चेंजेस आते हैं उस चेंजेस के वजह से यू सी द सो मेनी डिफरेंट, योर मूड इज श्रिंकिंग, योर बहुत सारे चेंजेस होते हैं. फिजिकली आपके बॉडी में पेन होता है या मेंटली आपको फ्रस्ट्रेशन बहुत ज्यादा आ जाता है. इस सबको कंट्रोल करने के लिए स्पेशली मेनोपॉज के टाइम के बाद और मेनोपॉज आने के टाइम पे जो भी कुछ चेंजेस बॉडी में आ रहे हैं, यू डोंट इवन नो, मेनी टाइम यू डोंट इवन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द बॉडी, और उसी वजह से आपके बिहेवियर में चेंजेस होते जाते हैं. तो इसके लिए ये जो प्रोसेस है, यू नो दैट इज मेनोपॉज इज गोइंग टू कम टू यू, यू नो दैट. सो व्हाई कांट वी प्रिपेयर आवरसेल्फ? And when menopause is coming, so why can't we prepare ourselves mentally? Okay, मैंने स्टडी किया है सोसाइटी में, मैंने फ्रेंड से स्टडी किया है, ये तकलीफ होती है तो उस तकलीफ से मैं जाने वाली हूँ. तो why can't we prepare ourselves and become strong? मैं एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ. मैंने 2 दिन पहले मैंने अभी कोविड वैक्सीनेशन लिया, फर्स्ट वैक्सीनेशन मैंने लिया, अभी तक नहीं लिया था बट फर्स्ट वैक्सीनेशन लिया. सो आई न्यू दैट एवरीवन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट. आपको फीवर आने वाला है, आपको बॉडी पेन होने वाला है, आपको जहां पे इंजेक्शन दिया वो जगह आपकी स्वेल होने वाली है, आप हैंड पिकअप नहीं कर पाओगे. ऑल दिस थिंग्स, all these things, when everyone was talking, I was mentally prepared. I was mentally prepared. Today is the third day. But you will not believe all these symptoms I could see, but I just ignored everything. I just ignored, and I was, physically and mentally, I was so much prepared. I had a proper, relaxing time. I went for the meeting. I did not even realize I had taken the vaccination. I had a problem. I got a problem. There was no, day before yesterday, I got a fever, but mine was so much strong and prepared. So I could not even realize that. So these are the things which easily we can implement in our life. So if you are preparing yourself, either for the menopause or for the pregnancy, pre-pregnancy preparation and all that. So these are the things which is, these things which is going to happen in your life. So you have to prepare yourself, or this preparation will definitely help you for your mental and physical well-being. So these are the basic tips which I wanted to share, and I'm really happy. I'm glad. I'm open for the question answers. But I'm really happy to share this all these thought process on this platform. And woman is learning, woman is helping, and woman is the person who is building this complete entire this world to make us strong. So why can't we become a strong ourselves and then teach this lesson to others? And this is what I am doing today. I mentally become a strong, I physically become the strong, and that's how today I'm talking on this kind of platform. So thanks a lot for inviting me. I'm open for the question answers.
Perfect. We have wonderful questions, couple of them. Sabse pehle, I would like to definitely compliment Dr. Rekha Chaudhary, and I'm going to tell this to everyone that please don't even try to guess her age. Of course, we don't talk about age, and maximum, of us are all females here. But please don't even try to guess, because you'll never be able to guess it. And absolutely amazing, because I've seen her in person and she has that natural glow on her face, and which is because of whatever she's spoken. So our first question to you, Dr. Rekha Chaudhary, is how does one really remove time for the cleansing system, and how can one make sure that every day they are cleansing their body?
Beautiful question, Simran. And let me tell you, though you are not saying yes, guessing my age, but I am a grandmother. I would like to say that. I'm happily saying that, because I'm really happy to share my aging process. And definitely why it is happening, because the system what I'm using. So how you feel yourself body is clean every day. Weekly what I'm talking to the cleansing system. So day to day, whatever you are eating, some other way, even though it is passing through your tools and all tools, right? But some other way it is accumulating in your body in some other areas, and that is creating the vayu in your body. Means what we say, like, gases, that creates the gases in your body, and that's how the problem starts. So that gases is so harmful. It affects your mental health, it affects your physical health. And this is what, every day, whatever is happening, at least weekly, when you do this cleansing system, that cleansing system definitely helps you. So you try to be, like, for the own health, you become the besharam. I want to tell you these things because many times, you don't have to, you don't have habit, और हम लोग ये गंदगी क्या देखें, बहुत लोगों को आदत नहीं है, या तो किसी को पता भी नहीं कि टूल्स जब पास करते हो, the tools, what kind of tools you are passing, no one even bothers about that. No one even bothers, but you need to understand and you need to learn to see that what kind of tools you are passing. If simple example, जो आपको अभी मैं इडली के आटा के साथ में इसको हमेशा I connect with that. How idli's atta is that, similar kind of your tools should be. Your tools should be every day you are passing. If you are not passing, that means this is something is, your body is not cleaning properly. So at least weekly you should try to clean. And these are all this I have my products, which Simran, you have also seen that.
Yes,
so
I've
products are all
them.
these. Yeah. So all these are the Ayurvedic basic natural powders. So many times what we do mistake, because Ayurveda is good, so we just go in the market and buy anything, and you don't know that powders are so important to, like when you are taking in the body, but that powders are not coming from the natural source. So again, that will create a problem for you. So you have to understand, whenever you are taking any natural stuff, so it has to have the source, proper source. बिकॉज आजकल आप देख रहे हो सब जगह पे आयुर्वेदा सब जगह पे बातें हो रही है, लेकिन जो प्रोडक्ट का पाउडर्स आपके पास आते हैं, अगर वो नेचुरल सोर्स से नहीं आते हैं तो उसके भी साइड इफेक्ट आपको दिखाई देते हैं, और उस वजह से मेनी टाइम यू डोंट इवन अंडरस्टैंड कि मैंने ये तो लिया था, मुझे बोला गया था, लेकिन इसका फर्क मुझे नहीं दिखा, या इसका मुझे कुछ प्रॉब्लम आया है. सो व्हाई इट हैपेंस? बिकॉज द सोर्स ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट इज नॉट प्रॉपर, इट इज नॉट ऑथेंटिक, and because of that it happens. So ये जो है products, so not because my products I'm talking, but ये product के वजह से आपको क्या हो रहा है कि जो भी cleansing आप कर रहे हो वीकली, वो cleansing smoothly होता है, and without even you're disturbing your क्योंकि पेट कभी-कभी पेट में दर्द होने लग जाता है, वीकली क्लींजिंग कोई लेता है, करता है, तो उसके इसमें होता है. और आजकल मैं देखती हूँ त्रिफला के टैबलेट्स आते हैं, वो टैबलेट्स एक टाइम पे means youngsters also they are taking 5-6 tablets one time they are taking. So this is really harmful. You try to take it proper way, and as much as if you have possibility, try to take in the powder forms, don't take it in the tablets forms and any other जहाँ पे एडिशनल कुछ ना कुछ और ऐड किया जा रहा है प्रोडक्ट बनाने के लिए. तो मेरा प्रिंसिपल सिंपल है, मैं क्योंकि बहुत मैं बोलती कि फॉरेस्ट में मेरा लाइफ गया है, और वहां से जब मैं आ रही हूँ तो मुझे दिखाई देता है कि नेचुरल थिंग्स, हाउ यू शुड बी कंज्यूमिंग इन द नेचुरल फॉर्म विदाउट डिस्टर्बिंग देयर एनी नेचुरल क्वालिटीज, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई बिलीव. सो ये नेचुरल क्लींजिंग का जो सिस्टम है, ये आपको इजीली आपको पता चलने लग जाएगा. सेकेंड वे आई एम टेलिंग यू हाउ इट इज बिल्डिंग योर स्टैमिना, वो आपको धीरे धीरे समझ में आ जाएगा जब आप वीकली क्लींजिंग करना शुरू कर देते हो.
ब्यूटीफुल, थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर रेखा जी. आपने तो बहुत कुछ हमें समझा दिया. जैसे कि मैंने सबसे कहा था दैट योर लाइफ्स विल चेंज फॉरएवर, आज वो पल है. लेट मी आल्सो टेल यू, बिकॉज मुझे पता है, आई हैव यूज्ड एंड आई रेगुलरली यूज द एनर्जी बूस्टर which is by Dr. Rekha Chaudhary ji, and which is also powder form. तो मुझे इसलिए अच्छा लगता है because I know that there is not a single thing being mixed just to get it into capsule form, and that is the reason she always says. And also right from the cream to the serum to the moisturizer, which is absolutely of ace quality because I've personally seen it, so I can vouch for that. We have another question, and she says that she's put on more weight after her menopause. And जो 3 साल पहले she got her menopause, and does it relate to my health? So because she's put on a lot of weight after menopause, what can she do?
So as I said in the how to maintain your weight, so important thing is that is first she need to study about her daily routine. Daily routine जब है कि आपको ये स्टडी इसके लिए करने के लिए बोल रही हूँ कि बहुत बार आपको लग रहा है कि मैं खा नहीं रही हूँ कुछ, and that is also मैं खा नहीं रही हूँ फिर भी मेरा वेट बढ़ रहा है. So that is also wrong, because when you are not eating on the time, eating time, proper time, so जब आपको भूख लगती है, you try to eat everything whatever is in your plate, whatever in your plate. तो इसके लिए मैं बोल रही हूँ कि प्रिपरेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, कि जब आपको खाने का आपका टाइम, बिफोर यू आर फीलिंग हंग्री, इफ यू ट्राई टू ईट ऑन द टाइम, सो ऑटोमेटिकली आप जो खा रहे हो आप देखते जाओगे. और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, हम लोग बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं 32 टाइम्स हमको खाना चबाना होता है. हम लोग ये बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं, पर आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, ये 32 टाइम्स खाना चबाने के इसके ऊपर इन ऑस्ट्रिया देयर इज अ वेरी बिग ह्यूज मेडिकल सेंटर इज देयर, वेलनेस सेंटर. And this wellness center is just offering you this principle. On this principle, they are offering you the complete your well-being. और वहाँ पे top to top celebrities they go and they work out on this practical practice. जबकि हमें हमारे बचपन से सिखाया जा रहा है. तो आपको ये भी देखना है कि जब वेट का जो है वेट गेनिंग का जो रिलेशन है इससे भी आपका होता है, बिकॉज एक है कि आप टाइम के ऊपर आप नहीं खा रहे हो, आपने टाइमिंग जो डिसाइड किया उसका। सेकेंड है कि आपके खाने के सिस्टम जो है उसको आपने नहीं ऑब्जर्व किया है, वो एक आपको इम्प्रूव करना है। थर्ड जो है, मेनोपॉज के बाद आपके हार्मोन्स बहुत चेंजेस हुए बॉडी में, हार्मोन्स के चेंजेस की वजह से भी आपके बॉडी में बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स शुरू हुए हैं, और उस वजह से व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, यू आर स्टॉपिंग योर एक्सरसाइज, यू आर स्टॉपिंग योर लाइक नो, कभी कभी वो उसको चैलेंजेस वो नहीं ले पाते बॉडी के चेंजेस में, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट यू आर नॉट गोइंग मेंटली physically positively approach towards your all these activities whatever you are doing in day to day life. So आपको थोड़ा सा ऑब्जर्व करना है, और उस वजह से अगर आपको ये प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है तो वो इजीली आप करेक्ट कर सकते हो, वहां पे करेक्टिव एक्शंस के लिए आपको अभी भी चांस है। फोर्थ जो है, आपको अगर वेट लॉस के लिए जो जैसे मैं बता रही हूँ, पाउडर्स फॉर्म में जो है उसमें गुडवेल का है, या जो भी जो जेस्ट मद, ये जो चीजें हैं, ऐसे अलग अलग चीजें हैं जो मैं जो खुद बनाती हूँ, और वो पाउडर फॉर्म्स में है। वो पाउडर्स फॉर्म में आप अगर लेना चाहते हो, 3 मंथ्स का कोर्स है, उससे आपको ऑटोमेटिकली आपका वेट लॉस के लिए भी बहुत सारा बेनिफिट आपको मिलेगा। पर ये ऑथेंटिक पाउडर्स है, ऑथेंटिक पाउडर्स को फर्स्ट आपको मेंटली प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा। मेंटली जब आप प्रिपेयर होते हो तो ही आप ये ऑथेंटिक पाउडर्स ले सकते हो, नहीं तो मार्केट में बहुत सारे वेट लॉस के प्रोडक्ट हैं जहां पे आपको कुछ ना कुछ वहां पे बेनिफिट होता ही होता है, लेकिन साइड इफेक्ट्स में भी आपको पता नहीं चलता है। सो दिस इज वन थिंग। ये हुआ प्रोडक्ट के बारे में। बाकी आपके डेली रूटीन के बारे में आपको और इम्पोर्टेंट एक करना है, आप विदाउट फेल आप जिम में जाइए। आप योगा कर रहे हो, आप वॉकिंग कर रहे हो, बट जो है आपको जिम में जाके आपको वेट लिफ्टिंग और आपको एरोबिक्स, ये 2 चीजों के ऊपर आपको ध्यान रखना ही रखना है। वॉकिंग आपको इम्पोर्टेंट, वॉकिंग ज्यादा से ज्यादा करना है। ये 3-4 चीजें अगर आप लाते हो चेंजेस आपके इसमें, और हार्मोन्स इनबैलेंस के लिए जो टैबलेट्स अवेलेबल है, जो मैं नाम नहीं देना चाह रही हूँ, 1-2 प्रोडक्ट्स है जो अवेलेबल है मार्केट में, वो अगर आप डेली लेते हो, आपका मेनोपॉज चला भी गया होगा, मींस इवन दो यू हैव क्रॉस दैट मेनोपॉज स्टेज, स्टिल कैरी फॉरवर्ड विद दैट टैबलेट, बिकॉज दैट विल गिव यू द इम्बैलेंस सिस्टम, हार्मोन्स को उसको कंट्रोल में लाने के लिए वो हेल्प करेगा। These are the basic things. If you are following, definitely it will help for losing your weight.
Wow, thank you so much. We have a lot of questions, but due to time constraint, this is the last question जो हम लेंगे, which I'm adding 2 questions together. How to balance or avoid stress जो hormonal imbalance की वजह से होता है, and this beautiful lady has complimented you. उन्होंने कहा है, can you summarize 5 जो हम best things ले जा सकें, things to do and eat for ladies 40+ के?
Very good. One important thing again is that is 40+ is just a number. You have to understand that. Don't consider yourself you are growing old. In fact, I feel 40 के बाद में आपको फ्रीडम ज्यादा है, जैसे मुझे मिला, एंड मैंने जस्ट जंप लिया वहां से और आज मैं आपके सामने हूँ। तो ये हो सकता है 40 के बाद। तो इनफैक्ट वी आर द आजाद पंछी, हम लोग आजाद हो जाते हैं एज ऑफ 40। सो दिस इज द बेस्ट ब्यूटीफुल एज विच वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड। बहुत अच्छा एजिंग प्रोसेस है जहाँ पे 40 के बाद में आप खुद का एक डिसीजन मेकर बन जाते हो। अभी किसी को पहले आता है डिसीजन मेकिंग सिस्टम, उसको फ्रीडम मिलता है, दैट इज वेरी गुड, दैट लेडी इज रियली लकी। बट किसी को नहीं आता है तो उनको ये 40 के बाद का जो एजिंग प्रोसेस है उसका इम्पोर्टेंट जानना चाहिए कि ये मेरा एजिंग नहीं, ये नंबर्स बढ़ रहे से मैं इनफैक्ट फ्री हो रही हूँ सब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से, मैं फ्री हो रही हूँ जो मुझे करना था वो सब चीजों से, और अभी मेरे लिए टाइम है। तो 40 is the best age for everyone. So this is the things which you should always take it positively. This is one thing you can take away from this conversation today. Second is that is the daily routine, what I said, try to maintain, don't become the clock, but put yourself in that clock system, at least time zone system. जहाँ पे आपको खुद के लिए खुद का हेल्थ और मेंटल फिजिकल और मेंटली और फिजिकली आपको फिट रखने के लिए ये जो टाइम जोन में आपको खुद को डालने के लिए आदत डालिए। ये एक इम्पोर्टेंट चीज जो है आपको आज के कन्वर्सेशन से जरूर लेना है। थर्ड, जो मैंने आपको बताया कि जो क्लींजिंग सिस्टम से जो आपको खाने के लिए आप या तो एक्सरसाइज के लिए पैटर्न्स बनाना जरूरी, ये आपको लेना ही करना है। मीन्स ईटिंग हैबिट शुड बी गुड। उसके बाद आपके सोचने के तरीका जो है, क्योंकि हमें हमेशा आदत है हम लोग एक्स्ट्रा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेके जो दिमाग का हम लोग एक कुंडी बना देते, कचरा कुंडी बना देते, मीन्स गार्बेज बना देते दिमाग को, उसको आपको निकालने की आदत डालनी चाहिए। जैसे आप लोग घर क्लीन कर रहे हो, आप लोग आपका कबर्ड क्लीन करते हो, सब कुछ क्लीन करते हो, सो व्हाई कांट यू हैव द हैबिट टू क्लीनिंग योर मेंटल सिस्टम? और उसके लिए आपको आदत डालने की जरूरत है, और वो आदत आपको जानबूझ के डालनी पड़ेगी। यू कांट इवन, समटाइम हम लोग इग्नोरेंट हो जाते हैं सब डे टू डे लाइफ, इसमें हम लोग इतना बिजी हो जाते हैं कि वी जस्ट फॉरगेट टू डू ऑल दिस थिंग्स। सो ये जो है आप आपके यहाँ पे बोर्ड पे जो है यहाँ पे आप लिख के रखिए, ये मुझे 5 जो चीजें मेरे लाइफ में डेली मुझे 1 महीने के लिए करना है। जस्ट 1 महीना, डोंट कीप द लॉन्गर डिस्टेंस, जस्ट कीप द शॉर्टर। 8 दिन के लिए करना है, 15 दिन के लिए करना है, 1 महीने के लिए। ऐसे अगर आपने आदत डाल दी तो ऑटोमेटिकली ये आदत से डेवलप होते जाएगा आपका आगे का प्रोसेस, आपका आगे का सिस्टम। तो इसको आदत में आप डालिए, और वो आदत है कि छोड़ देने, जो भी चीज हो गई उसको छोड़ के आगे बढ़ने की एक आदत आपको हमेशा डालनी, क्योंकि हम लोग पास्ट को लेके बैठते हैं और फ्यूचर और प्रेजेंट हम लोग स्पॉइल कर देते हैं। तो इसके लिए जो पास्ट में हो गया वो आप भी आदत डालिए, आपकी फैमिली के मेंबर्स को भी उनको आदत डालिए कि हम लोग जो पास्ट का जो है नहीं करेंगे डिस्कस, जो है अभी हमने ये किया होता था तो ये हो जाता था, आज हमने वो किया, वो गलत हो गया, इसकी वजह से ये आज की सिचुएशन। फॉरगेट अबाउट दैट, ऑल दिस थिंग्स, फॉरगेट अबाउट दैट। क्योंकि हमें कोविड ने हमें सिखा दिया आज की जो पल है वो कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये हमें कोविड ने भी सिखा दिया है। तो व्हाई कांट वी improve our thought process and start to living in the present instead of living in the past? So ये एक हमें being as a woman we should definitely focus on this. So these are the things, basic tips are there which you can definitely carry from this conversation today and make as a habit in your life. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you so much. And it's been absolutely amazing and fruitful. And I'm going to take this wondrous opportunity of requesting Ms. Priya to kindly conclude the beautiful session that we had. And of course, as I said, हम सबकी जिंदगियां अब से इस पल से बदलने वाली है for the better. So good luck, ladies. And thank you very much to our lovely the youngest grandmom I've ever met, Dr. Rekha Chaudhary. Absolutely a pleasure listening to you. And I've been constantly replying to all the messages. We're going to forward you all the questions. Miss Priya Pansare, please.
थैंक यू रेखा जी, मैं तो इतनी इंस्पायर हो चुकी हूँ, मुझे लग रहा है मैं अभी जिम में जाके हिट करूँ। सो दिस हैज बीन वंडरस सेशन, एंड मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये ज्यादा से ज्यादा वुमेन को आज का इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करे. सो आई एम गोइंग टू सेंड दिस टू 10,000 women list that we have, so that everyone should have this privilege to listen to you. Thank you. Thanks for coming to our platform today. Over to you, Simran.
Thank you so much. And we take this wondrous opportunity of thanking each and every one of you. And thank you, for having the vertical and having a separate belief in, for, of course, the women here and the ladies here. And our business guru, Mr. Vikash Mitra, always inspires us as a absolute guiding light. And this is extremely special for all of us. But let me tell you, not just women, but even men would be really keen and would be interested, because even they look after their wellness. So men, you can adopt and you can also use all the products by Dr. Rekha Chaudhary. And of course, have a glowing skill and be absolutely young, hale, and hearty. We take this wondrous opportunity of thanking each and every one of you for being here with us for one of its kinds, our web series here at India Business Group Chamber of Commerce. And this is for a change, the very first inaugural session for the women. So ladies, keep rocking, be the best version, enjoy the weekend, and let us truly welcome the month of August with a big hug by hugging our own selves. Take care. God bless. Love you all.
Thank you.
Vikas sir? You want to say something? It seems because it's Rekha, you want to say something, Dr. Rekha.
I wouldn't normally.
Vikas sir, I'm just going to tell you. So, एक हमारी Bollywood actress है Rekha, और एक हमारी Dr. Rekha है. But Rekha has that
Thank you,
magical
Simran.
power. What do you like to say about this, Vikas sir?
So it's a toss up between the two Rekhas. इसको हम ज़्यादा मतलब है ना ये करें. I have met her often. I know her very well. I can vouch for it that she is the best. And whatever product she makes, she does it consciously and conscientiously. So you can rely on it and blindly take that. I don't know kahan available hai. You should tell us. Which is the point that people can buy that.
Yes, sure. Because this is only on the personal. This one I have been doing all those days, and few websites are there, which means my website, which I will share with you. So cosmetic के लिए जो है वो www.remilio.com करके है, और बाकी जो ये ऑथेंटिक जो मीन्स आयुर्वेदा प्रोडक्ट जो है, और अरोमा में एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट बताना सबको भूल गई हूँ कि अरोमा इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर डे टू डे लाइफ. एंड उसके लिए भी बहुत अच्छे से अलग अलग तरीके से आपके इसमें ऑयल्स आते हैं. जैसे कि बेडिंग करना है अरोमा के साथ, जो आपको मूड को एनहांस करता है. और जो आप मास्क लगाते हो, अभी मास्क भी एवरीडे बिकम द एवरीडेज अफेयर. सो उसमें भी एक अरोमा, अलग अलग तरीके के अरोमाज हैं. सो दैट अरोमाज दे कैन एवरीडे एनहांस. अगर आपके सर दर्द होता है कुछ, आपको अगर ज्यादा कोल्ड कफ है, उसके लिए कुछ दवाई नहीं लेते हुए भी अगर आप ये ऑयल स्प्रे करके मास्क के अंदर रखते हो और आप उसको लेते हो, ब्रीदिंग में लेते हो, वो भी बहुत इमीडिएटली इफेक्ट करता है. बिकॉज अरोमा नेचुरल प्योर अरोमाज दैट अगेन वर्क्स ऑन योर नर्व सिस्टम, तो वो भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो ये सब चीजें वो लोग डायरेक्टली हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ये जो मेरी वेबसाइट के ऊपर है, जो rekhachaudhary.com के ऊपर, उसके ऊपर वो ये कर सकते हो, या तो मैं नंबर देती हूँ, नंबर पे वो लोग कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. क्योंकि हम लोगों ने ज्यादा पब्लिक जो है प्राइवेट इसमें ही अभी तक हम लोग दे रहे हो प्रोडक्ट. इम्पोर्टेंट ये है कि मिलना, जो ये होता है ऑथेंटिक पाउडर्स ऑथेंटिक पाउडर्स मिलना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, और उस बेस पे सब प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए हुए हैं, तो वो आपको पर्सनल रिक्वेस्ट पे ही मिलते हैं. सो 99304 67 922 ये एक नंबर है. और पाउडर्स और उसके लिए जो है, उसके लिए है 99303 91 989.
9, 8, and 9. These are the numbers where you can get the lovely and the amazing products, the natural 100% natural authentic products from, which are all under the personal supervision of Dr. Rekha Chaudhary. And thank you for sharing the number. और सर अरविंद सर ने बहुत खूबसूरती से कहा, घनश्याम जी ने, कि हाथों की लकीरें हम रेखा भूल गए. नहीं, वो नहीं भूले हैं हम, वो हमारे साथ ही रहेगी. And wishing you all the very best. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dr. Rekha Chaudhary. Once again, such a pleasure having you always, and meeting you and getting inspired by you and learning so much in abundance. Take care. God bless. Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you, Vikas ji. Thank you.